All right, we're going to be disassembling a Remington Rand 1911. You can see that the weapon is clear. Magazine well's empty. Slide release. And we're going to depress the trigger on an empty chamber. All right. To get this slide off, there's this button over here. It's the other side of this slide release, okay? We're going to slide the slide back to that first notch, okay? We're going to press that out, okay? I'm going to have to change hands. All right, and then pull it out and set that aside. The slide's going to get hung up, all right? And we're going to have to depress the trigger to get this slide off. All right, now when we start sliding this back, this spring right here is going to want to fly out at you. So we're going to ensure that it does not, because I've already done it like 6 times today. All right. All right, got that off. Spring's coming out. Okay, now we need to rotate, and then that comes out. Rotate it the other way, okay? And there's a little like a little gear in there. We need to line that up, and it pops right out. And then your barrel will come out. Okay, and that is that. Now we're going to put it back together. So barrel, this, and rotate it all the way around. Rotate it back. Now the dangerous spring, all right? We want to have this flipped up because this is going to go through there. And I'm telling you, this spring wants to go. All right. Oh, that's in there. Alright, now, just like we took it off, we're going to have to slide the slide back to that notch. Slide back to the notch, and then we're just pushing it in. And that is that.